Welcome to math. We'll start by warming up our brains with some quick looks. Quick looks is when I show you the card, you try to figure out how many are on the card. Maybe there's a pattern that you notice. So let's try the first. I'm only going to show you for a couple seconds. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. I want you to think about how many dots you saw on the card, maybe the order you saw them in. Give you a few seconds to think. Okay, I hope you said 6. Because there are 6 dots on the card. 5 in a line and then one more you might have seen, right? So 1 column filled and then an extra. Perfect. Let's go to the next card. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. How many did you see? I hope you're saying 7. Now, how did you see them? So I saw 4 and 3, right? I know 4 plus 3 is 7. Maybe you know that 10 take away 3 is 7, right? Perfect. All right, let's do the last card. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. How many were on the card? I hope you're saying 9, right? Yes. 1 full and then a 4, right? 5 plus 4 is 9. Or maybe you know a 10 frame has 10. 1 missing would be 9 dots. Perfect. Nice work. So today we're going to talk about the math message. Here's the math message. This will be an activity in Seesaw. So it says solve 5 plus 0. So you're going to write what the answer is there. Record how you solved it and compare your strategies with a partner. And I know you probably don't have a partner at home, so that's okay. But you're going to down here write how you solved it. How do you know what 5 plus nothing is? 5 plus 0. Okay, so again, this will be a Seesaw activity. So I want you to finish this in Seesaw. All right, perfect. All right, so now let's talk about adding 0 to anything. So when you add 0 to anything, it's called the additive identity. So let me take my whiteboard and write that name down for you. So 0 plus anything is called the additive identity. Additive identity. That's 0 plus any number. Okay? So it could be 7 plus 0. It could be 2 plus 0. Okay? It's the additive identity. And anything plus 0 is going to be that number. Let's think about this. If I was to talk about glue sticks, I have 1 glue stick and I don't add any glue sticks. So how many glue sticks do I have? I still have 1, right? Perfect. Same thing, 7 plus nothing. If I have 7, I add nothing to it, the answer is still going to be 7. If I have 2 of something and I add nothing to it, my answer is going to be 2. So that's called additive identity. All right, perfect. So now, moving right along, let's talk about addition facts. So addition facts are 2 numbers from 0 to 10 and their sum. So if you turn to page 95 in your notebook, in your student notebook, these are some examples of addition facts. Okay? These are the addition facts over here. It says addition facts. 0 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 0 plus 3, 3 plus 2, 0 plus 5, 10 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 6 plus 0, and 1 plus 1. So what I want you to do is if you know the fact in a snap, I want you to write the answer right here, okay? If you know the answer in a snap. So go down through just like I just did. If you know what 0 plus 1 is, put the answer here. If you know what 7 plus 2 is, put the answer here. 0 plus 3. So skip the ones you don't know, but all the ones you know in a snap, without using your fingers, put the answers in that box. Now, look back now. If there's some that you did not know, I want you to give a check mark. So if you didn't know what 7 plus 2 was in a snap, I want you to put a check mark here. And I want you to use this box to show me how to figure it out. So let me get a clear piece of paper and I can show you. We'll do this one together. So, for instance, 0 plus 1, I know is 1. We just talked about that, the additive identity. If I didn't know what 7 plus 2 is, I'm going to put a check mark here. Do I know what 0 plus 3 is? Absolutely. I'm going to put the answer there, okay? Once you go all the way down through and put all the answers that you know and all the check marks that you don't know, then you're going to figure it out over here. So by doing that, if I didn't know what 7 plus 2 is, I could do 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 2 more. 1, 2. I could add all those dots up, and then I'm going to put the answer there. So 7, 8, 9. So my answer is 9. Does that make sense? So if you know it in a snap, write the answer down immediately. Then go back through and put a check mark by the ones you couldn't answer. Then I want you to show me how to answer it in this box over here. Only the ones that you have check marks by. If you already know the answer to the problem, you shouldn't have to explain to me how you figured it out. I just want to know that you know it or you needed to figure it out. Okay? Seems pretty easy. So once you're done with 95, you're going to post it to your Seesaw activities. Okay? So I think, we're going to talk about combinations of 10. So today's lesson, the major part of the lesson is combinations of 10. So let's look at some more quick looks, some more cards, and let's talk about combinations of 10. So we have 2 10 frames here now. And a combination of 10 is 2 numbers that equal 10. So if we look at these 2 cards, one column is full, that's 5. One column is full, that's 5. And we should know that 5 plus 5 equals 10. So here, I'm going to write it out for you. So we got 5 in this column plus 5 in this column equals, and what's our answer? 10. Okay, so let's look at the next card. What number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or you might know that 4 plus 4 equals 8. If I was to move these 2 over here, that would be 10. So 8 plus 2 equals 10. Another combination of 10. Nice work. Let's look at the next card. How many do we have here? How many do we have here? I hope that you know 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 plus, how many are on this side? 4. Good. Equals, again, if you were to move these 4 over in these 4 spaces, you would have a total of 10. So equals 10. So right now we're making a small list of combinations of 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. All right, let's check out the next card. See, how many are here? What's 3 plus 3? 6. Plus, how many are over here? 6 plus 4 again. Equals 10. Now look, that was different than this card. This had 6 on one side and 4 on the other to slide over. This one has 6 down here and the 4 to slide over. So the same thing, just different combination. You see that? There we go. All right, perfect. All right, just a different way to look at it. All right, our last card. Let's look at this one. So 5 plus 2 more, 6, 7. And there's 3 over here. So 7 plus 3, again, equals 10. Nice work. So that's a combinations of 10. Okay? Those aren't all the combinations of 10, but those are some combinations of 10. 2 numbers that equal 10. Perfect. Nice job. All right. Last thing we're going to do is math boxes. This math box is a preview for Unit 5. So, again, you're going to get out your student notebook. get your student notebook out, and we're going to turn to page 59. 59. Okay, and again, I will read you math boxes because it's not about the reading, it's about the math. And if you need to pause me so that you can do the answer before I move on, go for it. Okay, so here we go. It says, actually I'm going to take that away because I'm not going to write on it. How many pennies could you exchange for 1 dime? So first of all, you have to know what a dime equals. So I'm hoping that you know what a dime equals. And if you don't, we're going to learn that in Unit 5. But I'm going to give you a hint. Dime is worth 10 cents. So how many pennies could you exchange for 1 dime? Think about what a penny is worth. Penny's worth 1 cent. How many pennies could you exchange for a dime that's worth 10 cents? So you're going to write the number of pennies you would exchange. Okay, perfect. Pause me if you need to, otherwise we're going to keep going. Start at 40, count back 20. So you would get out your blue binder, first page of your blue binder. You're going to start at 40, so find 40, and you're going to count back 20. Now there is a trick. You can count by ones or you can count by 10. So I'm going to leave it at that and let you figure it out. Here we go, number 3, subtract. So you've got 80 take away 20, 70 take away 30, 50 take away 40. So you're going to write the answers right here. Again, you can use your number grid if you need to. Go to 80, count back 20, write your answer. Go to 70, count back 30, write your answer. Go to 50, count back 40, write your answer. Okay? Last one, writing reasoning. Which path is longer? Circle your answer. So these are the 2 paths that you're going to think about. What is longer? The path from your seat to the door. So if you were in the classroom, where you sit, the path from your seat to the classroom door, is that longer or shorter than the path from your seat to the bathroom? So think about where our bathroom is. So is it longer? Is this path from your seat to the door longer, or the path from your seat to the bathroom longer? So you're going to circle the longer one. And how do you know? You're going to tell me how you know which one is longer. Okay? So I need you to post 59 and was it 95? Yep, 95 and 59. You're going to post those to Seesaw when they're complete. And don't forget to do your math message as a Seesaw activity. All right? Perfect. Have a great day.